Do you know in Formula 1 racing cars, a pit stop went from taking 60 seconds to 1.8 seconds? But if you walk into a multi-million dollar manufacturing plant today, switching a machine from making a product A to product B still takes 4 hours. While that machine is turned off, it is making exactly $0. But in industrial engineering, this is called the changeover time, and it bleeds companies dry. But Toyota engineers figured out how to take the logic of 2 seconds in Formula 1 racing cars and apply it to the heavy manufacturing. It is a system called SMED, Single Minute Exchange of Die. Today, I am going to teach you the exact architectural logic of SMED and how engineers use it to slash machine downtime from 4 hours to under 10 minutes. First, we will look at the brutal business logic. A factory only generates a revenue when metal is being cut or plastic is being molded. If your factory rate is $1,000 an hour and it takes a crew 4 hours to unbolt a mold, clean the machine and insert a new mold and calibrate it, you just burned $4,000. And if you do that twice a day, you lose over $2 million a year. The goal of SMED is not to make the machine run faster. The goal is to make the machine start faster. And to do that, you have to separate your machine factory into two distinct categories. This is the hard skill of SMED. You take every single action of workers take during the changeover and you sort it into two buckets, internal and external. An internal task is something that must be done while machine is completely shut off, like taking the bolts out of the mold. On the other hand, an external task is something that can be done while the machine is still running. Like in a Formula 1 racing car, fetching the new tires is an external task. The mechanics have them ready before the car even pulls in. But in a factory, mechanics wait for the machines to stop and then they walk 10 minutes to the tool crib to find a wrench. This is a $1 million mistake. Once you sort the task, step 2 of SMAD is the conversion. You must force as many internal tasks to become an external task as mathematically possible. Let us say your new metal mold needs to be heated to a 300 degrees Celsius before you can even use it. If you put the cold mold into the machine, turn the machine on, and wait for 45 minutes for it to heat up, that is the internal task. You just lost 45 minutes of production. The SMAD solution? You buy a heated cart. You preheat the mold on the cart while the machine is still finishing the previous batch. When the machine stops, you instantly swap a hot mold for a hot mold. You just converted 45 minutes of dead time into zero downtime. But why does this actually matters to the whole supply chain? Let us look at this. If a changeover time takes 4 hours, a manager is forced to run massive batches of 10,000 units just to justify the setup cost. This creates a massive piles of inventory that sits in a warehouse doing nothing. But look at line 2, because SME reduces the changeover time to 5 minutes, the manager can afford to switch products 10 times a day. You only build exactly what the customer ordered that morning, and SMED doesn't just save the machine time, it allows you to completely eliminate the warehouses or reduce the warehouses. SMED proves that the organization is just as profitable as automation. If you prepare externally, you never stop internally. But now that SMED allows your factory to instantly switch between making products A, B, or C, how do you mathematically decide which products to make and get absolute highest profit? Most managers guess. But engineers use a brutal mathematical formula called linear programming to find the exact optimum product of mix. The next video is about how you can solve for maximum profits in seconds using operations research. I'm Leansimcorp and I'll see you there.